Hey, it's Ryan from the Carb Situation. Remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a trainer. I'm just a human guinea pig who likes to read a lot and willing to experiment. If you go on the journey with me, maybe you'll learn what I learned. Oh yeah, and I curse a lot. Let's do this. What's up, guys? It's time for another weekly check-in. Today is July 14th, 2019. And that means it's the end of week 17 of the Carb Situation Project. Only a couple more weeks to go, I'm pretty certain. And we've had some good results, so let's take a look. All right, last week I came in at 206.2 pounds, and this week I am at 203.2 pounds. So that's exactly 3 pounds lost in the last week. That's great. That's better than usual. So I was really happy with that. As for body fat, last week I was at 26.8%, and this week I come in at 26.3%. So that's a 0.5% of body fat that I lost over the past week. That's also great. I'll take it. So everything seems to be going according to plan. I'm almost under the 200 mark. I've lost almost 35 pounds since I switched back to the low carb diet. So hopefully I've proven my point as to what a smart diet will do for your weight loss goals and getting you back into great health. So the reason I bring that up is I think I'm going to do a crazy experiment this week. I have been reading about, and I'd like to try, a 72-hour water-only fast. On the surface, sounds absolutely crazy to me. Nothing but water for 3 days. But from the research that I've been reading, it will clear out my immune system and bacteria and kind of reset and reboot your body. I don't know that I need it that much. I'm eating quite healthy now and everything seems to be on point, but I really kind of want to experience it and see what happens. So I thought it would be cool, since I'm almost completely done with the project, before I stop with the weekly updates, I would go through the 72-hour water fast and update you guys on how it went and tell you guys all about that experience. So that's all I got for this week. Join me back here next week. I'm going to want to give you guys plenty of details about my experiment and hopefully get under that 200-pound mark. That'd be fantastic. And once I go under 200, I'm going to switch from my extra large shirt to my large shirt. I can't wait for that to happen. I hope you have a great week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my website, and eat smart. Cheers.